welcome back to another video. It's your girl Penelope coming at you with another DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful spring wreath. I hope you enjoy this kind of content, and if so, stay tuned. All right, I'm starting with this pizza pan that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm painting it a matte black. I'm using an apple barrel paint that I've already had on hand. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this and then give it enough time to go ahead and dry. Next, I have this kind of birdhouse I found at the Dollar Tree. It was really easy to assemble. Only thing is, I did not like the glue that came with it. I ended up using my good friend called hot glue. The hot glue made this easy process. It allowed the birdhouse to really stay together and not fall apart. See right here, I'm just using the hot glue because it just helped it dry a lot quicker. And once I was done with the assembly, I trying to figure out what kind of color I wanted to paint it, and I knew this was going to be a springtime kind of color, so I'm sticking with the purple-ish kind of theme. So I got this pewter purple from Apple Barrel, and I already had this on hand. It's also from Walmart, and I'm using a Dollar Tree brush that I already had on hand. I'm just painting the whole house, well, the house part of this birdhouse purple, and I'm going to paint the roof. This is called Pewter gray, and I apply, I want to say about 1.5 coats on this. The half is just basically touch up spots where I may have missed things, and the good thing about this paint is that it dries really fast. All right, so while this is drying, I'm going to go ahead and show you the flowers I used. I have foliage, I have artificial fern, I also have Wysteria, and that's in purple and white. And I got about 2 or 3 of the Wisterias. But now I'm just cutting them off of the stems. Everything is coming off of its stem. Some of them I left a little longer, but you really don't have to. They could be cut up to the flower part of it. And I'm just using my multi-tool to cut that. Now I'm using my hot glue. This is really in no particular order. I'm just hot gluing all of the foliage, or all of the plants, and just kind of a color that, or an arrangement that sticks out to me. I wanted the background to have more of that greenish kind of color, and then I wanted the pops of the purple and white to be on the top. And you can see it's just really no rhyme or reason. It's all very random. And I wanted the wreath to kind of droop down. I wanted the flowers just seem so exotic and full and lush. So that's why I just kind of went halfway down. I didn't want it to go all the way around because it's going to be kind of like a bird stoop or nest. You'll see it, and it's so cute, y'all. I got so excited. But as I'm putting all this together, I can really see my vision coming together. I knew I wanted a nice thick wreath. I'm not really into making them. I made like 1 or 2 before, but this one I really want to stick out because it's going to be put on the front door. And it's springtime. I just wanted to just pop. Okay, so now I'm going to take the birdhouse and just hot glue that onto the pan. And I got this Spanish moss also from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to kind of make a makeshift nest. It's really random because, you know, nests are not perfect. So I just kind of stuffed a bunch of it to look almost like a nest. And then I found the cutest little birdie at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just taking that out of the packaging. Gonna put some hot glue on it and stick her in the nest. And I also got these lilies. I'm gonna take off a few of those and hot glue those in place. No real particular order. I'm just putting it where I thought it looked cute. And if you guys are enjoying the video, please feel free to leave a like and a comment. Here it is on the front door. I absolutely love it. Y'all, just on the look alone, you should just leave a like and share it with everybody. I hope you all really enjoyed the video. I hope you like this kind of content, and I hope to catch you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.